Hi, 7th class Maths, Chapter 4, Lines and Angles. Brief notes about the lines and angles. Introduction. We already learned about the in 6th class types of angles. First one, zero angle. Zero angle like this is there. Here angle is anything not there. అసలు ఏ యాంగిల్ కూడా ఫామ్ అవ్వకుండా ఉండేదాన్ని జీరో యాంగిల్ అంటాము. అంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ 0 degrees. The angle is exactly 0 degrees is called zero angle. Exactly 0 degrees this one. Second one, acute angle. Acute angle means angle is less than 0. The measure of angle is less than, more than 0, less than 90 degrees is called acute angle. More than 0 degrees, 0 degrees కన్నా ఎక్కువగా ఉండి యాంగిల్ AOB ఈజ్ లెస్ దాన్ 90 degrees. 90 degrees కన్నా తక్కువ ఉండేదాన్ని acute angle ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ acute angle. Third one, right angle. An angle whose measure is exactly 90 degrees. This one exactly 90 degrees is equal to AOB. 90 degrees is called right angle. An angle whose measure is exactly 90 degrees is called right angle. Fourth one, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means more than 90, less than 180. More than 90 degrees. 90 degrees కన్నా ఎక్కువగా ఉండి యాంగిల్ AOB is less than 180 degrees is called obtuse angle. Fifth one, straight angle. Exactly 180 degrees. Straight angle means exactly 180 degrees is equal to 180. That is equal to angle AOB. Sixth one, reflex angle. Reflex angle means more than 180, less than 360. More than 180 degrees. Angle AOB is less than 360 degrees. 180 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఏ యాంగిల్ ఉన్నా దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ రిఫ్లెక్స్ యాంగిల్. సెవెంత్ వన్, కంప్లీట్ యాంగిల్. ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ 360 degrees ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ కంప్లీట్ యాంగిల్. యాంగిల్ AOB is called complete angle. Next one, types of lines. First one, parallel lines. Parallel lines is the two lines distance is same. Anywhere you find the distance is same is called parallel lines. The symbol of the parallel lines is slant గా two lines. This is symbol for parallel lines. Read as L is parallel to M. L is parallel to M. Second one, intersecting lines. The two lines meet one point is called intersecting lines. The two lines L and M are two lines meet one point is called intersecting lines. The P is called intersecting point. The P is called intersecting point. Third one, perpendicular lines. The two lines L and M, two lines meet one point at 90 degrees. Meet one point at 90 degrees is called perpendicular line. దిస్ ఈజ్ సింబల్ ఫర్ పెర్పెండిక్యులర్. రివర్స్లో టీ ఉంటుందమ్మా. సింబల్ ఫర్ పెర్పెండిక్యులర్. ఎల్ ఈజ్ పెర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు ఎం అండ్ పి ఈజ్ ఇంటర్సెక్టింగ్ పాయింట్ ఎట్ 90 degrees. 90 degrees దగ్గర ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా ఇంటర్సెక్టింగ్ పాయింట్ ఉంటే దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ పెర్పెండిక్యులర్ లైన్స్. ద సింబల్ ఫర్ పెర్పెండిక్యులర్ ఈజ్ రివర్స్ టీ. Now see the children, pair of angles. Pair means two angles. Now relation between the two angles. First one, complementary angles. Complementary means if the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, you can add two angles, the sum is 90 degrees. Example, angle ABC is 40 degrees, DAF is 50 degrees. You can add these two angles. 40 plus 50 is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, the sum of two angles is equal to 90 is called complementary angle. 40 కి కాంప్లిమెంటరీ 50 degrees, 50కి కాంప్లిమెంటరీ 40 degrees. అలాగే 10 degrees కాంప్లిమెంటరీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 90 అవ్వాలి అంటే యూ కెన్ యాడ్ 80. 10 degrees కాంప్లిమెంటరీ 80, 80కి కాంప్లిమెంటరీ 10 degrees. ఓకే. సెకండ్ వన్, సప్లిమెంటరీ యాంగిల్స్. సమ్ ఆఫ్ టూ యాంగిల్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 180 degrees. 90 means complementary, 180 means supplementary. Here first angle 110 degrees, second angle 70 degrees. 110 plus 70 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. These two angles are supplementary angles. These two angles are supplementary to each other. Supplementary angle of 100 degrees. 100 plus dash is equal to 180. What is the angle here? 80. And 100 plus 80 are supplementary to each other. Okay. Third one, conjugate angles. If the sum of two angles is 360 degrees, complementary means 90 degrees, supplementary means 180 degrees, conjugate angle means sum of two angles is 360 degrees. First angle 200 degrees, second angle 160 degrees. You can add 200 plus 160 is equal to 360 degrees. These are first part of the pairs of angles. Second one, adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means they have a common vertex and a common arm. The two angles have a common vertex and common arm is called adjacent angles. Once observe the figure, children. Here AOB and BOC are two angles. Angle 1 and angle 2. The two angles we can combine. Rendu కలిపామనుకోండి. AOC angle is formed. OB is the middle one. Here O is the common arm of the two angles and O is the common vertex. Here angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles. ఈ రెండిటి యాంగిల్ మధ్యలో ఎక్కడ గ్యాప్ లేదమ్మా. దిస్ వన్ రెండిటికి కామన్ ఆర్మ్ అండ్ కామన్ వెర్టెక్స్. పక్క పక్కనే ఉన్నాయి యాంగిల్స్. ఒకసారి అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి, పక్క పక్కనే ఉన్నాయి, ఎక్కడ మధ్యలో గ్యాప్ లేవు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇలా ఉందనుకోమ్మా, here 1, here 2, middle gap is there. These two are not adjacent angles. Here side by side angles are called adjacent angles. That is angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles. O is the common vertex and OB is the common arm. OB is the common arm and O is the common vertex. Second one, linear pair. Linear pair means a pair of adjacent angles is 180. Two angles, sum is 180 means straight line form అయిందనుకోండి. You can add two angles that make a 180 degrees is called a linear pair. Linear pair means two angles, linear means straight angle. అంటే sum of two angles is equal to 180. These two angles are adjacent angles. The two angles, రెండు angles పక్క పక్కనే ఉండాలి. దాని sum 180 అయితే that is called linear pair. Linear pair. Angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles. These two are adjacent angles. They have a common arm and common vertex. And sum is angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 degrees. Therefore, angle 1 and angle 2 are linear pair. Angle 1 and angle 2 are linear pair. Now, third one, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. The two straight lines intersect each other. The point of intersection are called vertically opposite angles. Yet these two L and M are two straight lines meet one point. That is called intersecting point. Here four angles are formed. You can two lines meet one point, four angles are formed. These four angles, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. You should write the angles or clockwise or anti-clockwise. ఇలా అయినా ఒక ఆర్డర్లో వెళ్ళాలి, లేకపోతే ఇలా అయినా వెళ్ళొచ్చు, లేకపోతే ఇలా అయినా వెళ్ళొచ్చు అమ్మ. ఒక ఆర్డర్లో వెళ్ళాలి. 1 2 3 4 or 1 2 3 4 like this. Here L and M are intersecting lines. O is intersecting point. L and M are intersecting lines and O is intersecting point. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 1 and angle 3 are vertically opposite angles. Angle 2 and angle 4 are vertically opposite angles. Angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Vertically opposite angles are equal. This one 60 degrees means angle 3 also 60 degrees. Then 60 means this one straight line 60 plus angle 2 means 120 degrees. This one also 120 degrees. Okay, vertically opposite angles are equal. What is the examples of the vertically opposite angles? Folding chair, folding cot, holy book stand and open scissor, etc. Okay, folding cot and holy book stand. Folding cot మన ఇంట్లో మడత మంచాలు కానీ ఫోల్డింగ్ చైర్స్ ఉంటాయి కదమ్మా, దట్ ఈస్. అండ్ హోలీ బుక్ స్టాండ్ భగవద్గీత ఖురాన్ పెట్టే బుక్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, దట్ ఈజ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ ద వెర్టికల్లీ ఆపోజిట్ యాంగిల్స్. అండ్ ఓపెన్ సిజర్ ఎక్సెట్రా, సిజర్స్ ఓపెన్ చేసినప్పుడు దట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వెర్టికల్లీ ఆపోజిట్ యాంగిల్స్ లైక్ దిస్. ఓకే, these two are two lines make a 4 angles. These two are called, this one is called vertically opposite angles.